I was not a fan of school at any level, so the irony of me being a high school principal is not lost. I want to see the kids smiling and joking around and having fun. This needs to be a place of respite for them and a place where they can be themselves and figure out who they are and who they're going to become.
Another year before Frankfort High School will fully reopen. Reopening plan will address and refresh the 108-year-old school.
The transformation of Frankfort High School was one that was driven by data analysis, community input. The data and research that shaped the design of the project was driven by lessons learned from best practices in the K-12 public education industry that have grappled with this same challenge that we faced here.
This is a building we're currently celebrating our 115th anniversary. It was very important that we maintain the integrity of that while still making it more modernized for 21st century learning. I know that other families are going to have to go through this process at some point, and I just want them to know that the transformation isn't just to the building, it's to opportunities in students' lives.
They have improved things like lighting around the building. They've created all these new opportunities for my students. Even just the overall experience in the building has kind of like created this like new vibe in the school and kind of reinvigorated a school that's been around for 115 years.
Walking through our hallways with the new lighting, bright colors on the walls, and just the open space, it allows the students and teachers to feel a sense of relief, but also free. We don't feel as confined. It changes the culture.
When I first walked in, I would say my instant thoughts was that it was so bright and it felt very modern, new, compared to a lot of other schools.
This new school makes me feel very confident. The amount of opportunities that you have, all the after-school opportunities.
I got great people around me to help me like get ready for college, get ready for anything that I want to do after school. I got people that's going to back me up, people that's going to send me on the right path and help me. It just makes me feel like I'm in a safe environment. It makes me feel like a second home.
My theory is the space that you provide for your students is reflective of what your expectations of them are, and this newly refurbished building truly mirrors what our students are capable of.
It's really important that the physical renovations aren't where our improvement ends. It's incumbent upon us to help build our students and to help them unlock all their potential and talent so that when they leave us, they can move on. This is a building, and it's a beautiful building, but it's the people that make it a school, and we can't ever lose sight of that. The people are the most important part, especially our students.